Hey everyone, welcome back to the Beginner Silk Fan series here from Dark Art Circus. Today we're going to talk about some moves with our silk fans. We're going to cover spirals, pulses, and flutters. With our spirals, we're going to keep our fans closed, okay? And when we say spiral, we are really just making a spiral with the closed fabric, right? Very pretty. The other one can get in on the action. Ooh, like stir in my brew. We can go the opposite way. And here they go at the same time. So what we're doing is just drawing really pretty shapes with this, kind of like a gymnast ribbon, if you're familiar with that. So we've got our circle, just a circular spiral. We can also get some figure eights in on this business. So we're drawing a figure eight with the staves. So we got on the side. Ooh, look at that. This is best done while they're closed. The spirals don't work as well when there's more fabric. Ooh, wide open. There's this friend. Oh, we've got our alternating spirals. Cute. All right, figure eights, play around with those. Very fun. You can have the tails of the fabric chase each other. That's very cool. So those are spirals. Pretty straightforward. We can, of course, change our levels. Ooh, that looks nice. Very good. Okay, so now that you're masters of the spiral, let's move on to the pulse. So this can be done with the fan open or closed. A pulse is just flicking the fan in one direction. So I'm going to pulse out to the side. If I closed, there's that. Let's open our fan. Gorgeous. With the fan open, it's a little bit easier to see the pulse. So I'm going to hold it out. I'm going to pulse up. So I'm just flicking my wrist up, 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 up. Go the opposite way. Down, 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 down. A down pulse. Nice. With it open, coming back, right? Kind of like a little jellyfish. Nice. So I'm just pulsing. I'm just racking back and then coming back to my neutral hand. Okay. So this is a pulse. Again, what that looks like on the side. Just up, up, up. Okay. A flutter is a little bit different. A flutter, we go in both directions, so up and down in this instance. So this is our flutter. That looks like from the front. Going up, back, up, back, up, back, up, back. And raise our arms to change the level of that. Up, back, up, back, up, back, up, back. So we are forcefully with our wrists, right? We're holding, looking up and back, up and back, up and back. That's our flutter. Flutters can go to the side. Woo, it's kind of wild. Flutter, 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 flutter. So again, let's try these from the top. We've got our spiral. Change our levels. Ooh, best with it closed. Let's open them. And we'll do a pulse. So I'm holding these at a low level, stays pointed towards the ground. I'm just going to pulse back. So I'm just whacking back, or tapping back, I should say, behind me. Here's our pulse. Flutter makes a bigger movement, so we're going to go forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. Flutter. Pulse. Spiral. These are basic moves that can add a lot of fun to your flow performance, so I recommend working these in. They make a great kind of rest point, and they're still very visually interesting without being taxing on the performer.